And our honorable chief guest and guest of honor has come to today's third annual day celebrations. I heartily welcome our honorable chief guest Shambipur Raju Garu to please come on to the dais.
He is the member of Legislative Council, Rangareddy District. He has been with Telangana Rashtra Samiti since its inception. He is a loyal worker to Telangana Rashtra Samiti, supremo to our Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu, and close aide of K. Taraka Ramarao, our IT Minister. Please welcome him. Thank you, sir. We welcome our Jagan Garu, Corporator, Jagadgiri Gutta, and our guest of honor, Shri Srinivas Reddy Garu, DCP Balanagar. We welcome Mr. Sheshagiri Garu and
Satyanarayana Garu
onto
onto
the
the
dais.
dais.
We heartily welcome you, sir. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Shambipur Raju Garu, to give a few valuable words.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. హిందూ టెక్నో స్కూల్ థర్డ్ యాన్యువల్ డే కార్యక్రమానికి మమ్మల్ని ఆహ్వానించినట్టు యజమాన్యానికి, మా చిన్నారులకు, వారి పేరెంట్స్కి, కొత్తగా ఎన్నికై మీ ముందుకు విచ్చేసినటువంటి కార్పొరేటర్ జగన్ గారు, శేషగిరి గారు, సత్యనారాయణ గారికి, వెంకటేష్ గారు, మిగతా మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, మీ అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు, యజమాన్యానికి శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ, దీప్ గారికి, పిల్లలందరూ కూడా భగవంతుని ఆశీర్వాదంతో ఆయురారోగ్యాలతో ఉండి ఉన్నత చదువులు చదివి మంచి పొజిషన్లో ఉండాలని చెప్పేసి కోరుకుంటూ, ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి మమ్మల్ని ఆహ్వానించిన ఈ యజమాన్యానికి మరొకసారి నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ముగిస్తాం.
Thank you, sir. I request our President, sir, along with the committee members, to come onto the dais to give away the trophies and shields for our students. We had conducted many competitions like drawing, handwriting, storytelling, spell bee, and solo dance. These competitions were conducted between the four houses, that is Prithvi, Agni, Vayu, and Jal. So, a trophy of excellence will be announced for the house who has scored maximum points in these competitions. Before announcing the winner, I request our President, sir, along with our chief guest, to come forward and present the shield for the winning house. And the winner is Jal House. I request Jal House Captain Vinita and Vice Captain Nikita, along with the in-charge teachers, to come and collect the shield. And the in-charge teachers are Mrs. Deepika, Aya, Aparna, Ravina, and Jalaja. And
I request Jal House Captain Vinita and Vice Captain Nikita along with in-charge teachers to come and collect the shield.
And here, the lucky people get opportunities, but brave people create opportunities. And winners are those who convert problems into opportunities.
Moving on to the announcement of group events. We had celebrated a sports week in the month of December. As a part of that, various games like kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, throwball, cricket were conducted among four houses. Which house has bagged more medals, that house will be announced as the best house in sports and will be given a trophy of excellence in sports. And the winning house is Prithvi House for sports. Behind every success, there will be a lot of hard work and effort. Here, it is a team success. which requires even cooperation, coordination, and encouragement. Again, a big round of applause and congratulations to the winning houses. Here is a shield presentation for Jal House.
Atidhi Devo Bhava. Guest is a person who spends his valuable time with others. He is the one who is given hospitality. Today, we have with us many guests, including the chief guest and the guest of honor and other guests who are present on the dais. We would like to felicitate them on this occasion.
I invite our President Sir to felicitate our chief guest, Sri Shambipur Raju Garu, by giving a memento. And I request our President Sir to felicitate our guest of honor, Jagan Garu, Corporator of Jagadgiri Gutta. I request President Sir to felicitate Sheshagiri Garu by giving a memento.
Thank you, sir. And I request our President Sir, along with our committee member, to felicitate Satyanarayana Garu
By giving a memento.
Thank you very much, sir. We must continue the program. Thank you, sir. We request you to come down to the dais and take the VIP lawn seats and watch the program.
Now, the dance which we are going to witness is a popular dance form of fishermen community of Koli residing in the coastal areas of Maharashtra. This community is known for its distinct identity which reflects in their dance. Now, to show the reflection of this dance form, our children of class 1 are coming before us. Let's welcome them with a big applause. Here are our first class students presenting a Koli dance
Which is a popular dance form of fishermen community of
of
Koli
Maharashtra.
residing in the coastal areas of Maharashtra. To show the reflection of this dance form, our students of class 1 are coming before us. Let's welcome them. Put your hands together and welcome them.
पारू वेसाव से पारू वर आइलेन तुला वर आइलेन
पारू को पारू वेसाव से पारू वर आइलेन तुला वर आइलेन
तुला वर आइलेन मरेच गावात तुला वर आइलेन तुला वर आइलेन मरेच गावात तुला वर आइलेन पारू ग पारू वेसाव से पारू वर आइलेन तुला वर आइलेन
पारू को पारू वेसाव से पारू वर आइलेन तुला वर आइलेन
वल्लव रे नखवा वल्लव वल्लव
वल्लव रे नखवा वल्लव वल्लव
Dear parents, keep clapping and encourage them.
वल्लव रे नखवा वल्लव वल्लव
दर्यावरी आमची डोल होरी घेऊन माशाच्या डोलीन आम्ही हाव जातीचे कोली पावसाच्या धारा
वादळात मारलेत पावसाच्या धारा
तुफानी दर्या लाटांचा मारा
तुफान दर्या लाटांचा मारा
बोली नाही कोणाचे धमकीच भिनारा
बोली नाही कोणाचे धमकीस
नाही
भिनारा
नाही कोली नाही कोणाचे धमकीच भिनारा
बोली नाही कोणाचे धमकीस भिनारा
दर्यावरी आमची डोल होरी घेऊन माशाच्या डोलीनं आम्ही हौ जातीचे कोली
आम्ही हौसातीचे कोली
बल्हव रे नखवा बल्हव बल्हव
वल्लव रे नखवा वल्लव
हे
वल्लव
बल्हव रे नखवा बल्हव बल्हव
वल्लव रे नखवा वल्लव वल्लव
They have truly justified the characters of the great dance. Give them a big round of applause again. Thank you, students.
Dance to the rhythm of your heart and you will feel happiness like never before. It doesn't matter whether you like classical, jazz or salsa. What matters is that your heart loves to dance. Hold your breath to enjoy the exuberant dance performance by our UKG kids. Let's welcome them with Western Beats.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy.
Here we go, get smooth to the groove. What you love, believe it, that's smooth and I move. Cause that one takes it, but I can prove. So turn it up again, watch me move.
Instead of taking the photograph, please put your hands together and clap for them and encourage them.
Turn and take a look more now. Gotta go, 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 go.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Yeah, 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 go, jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dear parents, keep clapping for our little ones.
That's the way to the good, gonna smooth to get this one man hand Joe for our places. So let me show you how I want to set this DJ. But no, go, 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 take a feeling. When I hold my baby, she say, and when I say, ha, let my chicken win, rattle in my lady. That's what you get when you shout that jump. But now I gotta go, yo, go, go.
Oh God, that was a spectacular performance, wasn't it, Ranjita?
Yes, that was amazing.
పూజలు చేయా పూలు తెచ్చాను స్వామి పూజలు చేయా పూలు తెచ్చాను పూజలు చేయా పూలు తెచ్చాను పూజలు చేయ పూలు తెచ్చాను. బొట్టు పెట్టుకున్న అత్తయ్య.
శిరీష మనసులో ఏం కోరుకున్నావే?
అది బయటికి చెప్పకూడదు అత్తయ్య.
ఇంట్లోనే కదా, చెప్పు చెప్పు.
అది అది మీకు ఒంట్లో బాగాలేదు కదా, మీ చల్లగా ఉండాలని దేవునికి కోరుకున్నాను అత్తయ్య.
నేను ముందే